Good day, everyone. I am Miriam Magbayo. Welcome to Bicor Technologies New Employee Orientation. In this session, we'll discuss the professional codes of ethics that guide IT professionals in making responsible decisions. These ethical standards help us earn the trust of our clients, protect the public, and maintain professionalism in every project we handle. Why ethics matters in IT? Ethics is essential in IT industry because the systems we create and maintain often contain sensitive information such as financial records, medical data, and personal information. This responsibility requires us to act with honesty and integrity. Professional codes of ethics provide common standards that guide our decisions and help us maintain the trust of clients, employers, and the public. Three codes that guide our work. So there are several professional organizations that promote ethical behavior in the IT profession. Today we'll focus on three of them: the Association for Computing Machinery, or ACM, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, the IEEE, and the Philippine National IT Standards Foundation, or the Philippines. Although each has its own emphasis, they all encourage responsibility, professionalism, and ethical conduct. So, the ACM Code of Ethics serves as a guide for computing professionals around the world. It reminds us that technology should benefit society and avoid causing harm. It also emphasizes honesty, fairness, and respect for privacy. As IT professionals, we should always think about how our work affects real people and ensure that confidential information is protected. So the IEEE Code of Ethics focuses on the engineering practice and public safety. It reminds professionals to always prioritize the safety and well-being of the public. It also encourages transparency, avoiding conflict of interest, accepting only work within our expertise, and treating everyone fairly and without discrimination. Next is the PhilNets. PhilNets provide ethical standards specifically for Filipino IT professionals. It encourages us to use our knowledge for the public good, be truthful about the qualifications, respect intellectual property laws, and continue learning throughout our careers. Continuous professional development ensures that we remain competent and trustworthy. Ethics in the everyday workplace. Understanding ethical principles is important, but applying them in everyday work is even more important. In the next three examples, we'll see how these professional codes help employees make the right decisions in common workplace situations involving confidentiality, security, and intellectual property. So, the first situation, protecting confidential client information. Client information must always remain confidential. Employees should never discuss sensitive information outside authorized work environments or use client data for personal purposes. So if you're unsure whether information is confidential, ask your supervisor before sharing it. Protecting confidential information builds trust and prevents legal and professional consequences. The second situation is about reporting software vulnerabilities responsibly. If you discover a software vulnerability, report it immediately using the proper company procedures. Never ignore the problem or exploit it for personal gain. Ethical professionals document the issue early and help resolve it as quickly as possible. Responsible reporting protects users, strengthens security, and maintains the company's reputation. And the last situation is respecting intellectual property. Intellectual property includes software code, designs, documents, and other creative works. Before using someone else's work, always check licensing requirements and provide proper credit when necessary. Never claim another person's work as your own. Respecting intellectual property protects both the company and your professional credibility. My commitment as an IT professional. So, ethics begins with personal commitment. Among all ethical principles, honesty is the foundation because it supports transparency, accountability, and trust. As new employees, remember to report problems early, admit mistakes honestly, and never take shortcuts that compromises ethical standards. Every ethical decision contributes to your growth as a professional. Thank you everyone for your time and attention. I hope this orientation has helped you understand the importance of professional codes of ethics in the IT industry. By following these principles every day, we can build technology that benefits society while maintaining the trust of our clients and colleagues. Thank you and good day.